Hey y'all, my name is Tammy. Welcome to my channel, Southern Angel Stamping. If you're new to my channel, please remember to click the subscribe button below and the notification bell so you'll be notified on all my new videos. Also, please share this video and leave me a comment below. Remember to give me a thumbs up, and doing all this helps my channel to grow. I thank you so much for all your support. And now let's get on into this video. So I have been working on the My Wonderful Family April 2020 paper pumpkin kit, and I've shown a couple of videos already, the unboxing and how I made about 12 cards already from the kit. I made some more, and I wanted to share those with you. And I can still even make more. And I said how I made stencils and was using the outies, like where you punch out the pieces that they give you, and you can use those as stencils. I think a lot of people do that have been with paper pumpkin. So if you don't know about it, yeah, you can use these as stencils. I like to put masking tape around mine, makes it sturdier. And then if you use the Tombow glue and you just put it on like a silicone mat, or if you don't have something like that, you can use, like, I don't even know where my little silicone mat is. You can get one from Stampin' Up. They have one, not very expensive at all, and it's just a nice little silicone mat, a little bit bigger than this. But if you don't have one on hand, just put some masking tape on a little card like this. That's what I was using since I couldn't find mine at the time. Get you a little sponge, put some of the glue on it, dab it, rub it in, and you can tap it and just kind of rub gently on there. Let it sit and dry until it just becomes a little tacky. Okay? And then you can save your sponge in a container. You can even put the glue, I was even putting the glue in here, but make sure it dries and everything. And I'm guessing it'll be okay if I sit it in there. And maybe it'll pull back out. I haven't really tested that yet. I may have to wash out the container actually before I put my sponge in there. But I know you can keep your sponge with the glue on it. And if it gets too icky, you can even wash out your sponge and let it dry out and then put everything back in there. I think because I don't want the sponge to completely stick in there, because it does seem pretty sticky now. I think I'll wash this out before I do put my sponge in there. So I might do that. But that's a tip for you. And see, I had done all of my little homemade stencils like that. And then I can keep these and use these over and over. And these are really nice. These are very tacky. I think they're still kind of drying. But I used this one. Well, I've used them all actually. But this one I did use on this card here. And I don't know if you noticed, and I used my petal pink ribbon here. I don't know if you recognize the hello, because it did not come from this kit. It was from the kit from last year, this time. And that was the, actually I've got the box sitting right here, which is surprisingly, but it was this one. This was the Shelli kit that we had last year about this time. Yeah, it was the May 2019 kit. So, isn't that neat how that was last year's May kit? That was the special kit from last year at May time. And here were the stamps. Actually, let me show you the picture. This way, because I stamp them out like that. So there's all the stamps. I actually still have a few of the embellishments. I didn't even know I still had some. I have still some of the cards too, sitting over here in pieces. Let's see. Here's a couple of those cards. Here's one of the envelopes. I've got several of the envelopes. But there's more in that box. But I was pulling out a few of the things just to use. I thought I might use in this with this kit. So anyway, here is this. What I did is I stenciled and then I embossed two of the little birdies, and I embossed my hello on the tag. And then I used the Dear Friend from, like I said, this stamp set inside. And I also used one of the little patterns right there. Excuse me. This one right here, just a simple little thing. I cut around where one of the leaves were and used it. May the luck of the Irish go double for you. I used that from A Wish for Everything. Now, I believe this is on the Last Chance. It's a two-part stamp. And you can get dies with it. Oh, wrong die. Sorry. There are dies that you can get with it. Where are my dies? That are called Word Wishes. If you are wanting this, this is a very good set to have. It's got everything in it, as you can see. You know, from anniversary, birthday, mothers, Easter, New Year's, you know, holiday, Thanksgiving, Hanukkah, St. Patrick's, Christmas, Father's, Valentine's, Halloween, wishes, wishing you a happy day, you know, everything. So they're all there. And then this has got everything, you know, all the sentiments. First, my mother, for my friend, just a little reminder that I love you. I mean, just everything. I love all the little sayings and that you can put with it. So that's a real nice, like I said, a nice set to have. And so, I don't know, I just felt like making a St. Patrick's Day card from it. See how it turned out. And I got those enamel dots, the glitter enamel dots, and picked one of every color, just about, or kind of, no, you know what? I didn't get the enamel dots. That's right. I used those other ones. Where are they? Oh, I used the clear fauceted, I have a problem saying this for some reason, gems, and I used my alcohol markers because these are clear. Used my alcohol markers. See how I colored these yellow, and I just colored them in different colors: yellow, pink, blue, purple, and green. I wanted kind of rainbow color and just scattered them on there. So that's what I did on that one. So just real simple. I wanted everything simple because I wanted these to really stand out, and that down there to stand out. And then just put Happy St. Patrick's Day inside. So that's just a quick, simple card I made. And then this one here, I used a lot of that Hugs from Shelli, and I put Hugs for You, Sister. I used some little gems, Wink of Stella on little heart. That's from a different kit I had left over, I think last month's kit. I had some of the Twine left over. Just a real pretty little card. And then I put inside Families Where Life Began and Love Never Ends, and stamped a little flower. Here I made a Father's Day card. You can see where I stenciled the leaves, and then I also trimmed out the outlining of it. I just put Dad, popped that tag up, used a little piece of that little trim that was left over, and then I had some inside and backed it on the green, and to put Today Belongs to You, Happy Father's Day, where I had used the stamp set again, this part of it, and stenciled inside again with that leaf. And then here's another one where I put Brother, use that leaf again, and put I'm Glad You Are My Family, Happy Father's Day. So those are the other cards that I made using the paper pumpkin kit. For April, and I can't wait till we get our May kit. And I can't sell you the May kit because it's already gone. But as of, let's see, May the 11th, you can start to order the June kit. So keep a watch out for that, and you'll be able to start to order that. Here is my host code. So you can use that host code and use that host code right there to order it. And keep watching, you know, for videos on that. Oh, and I want to show you a card that I made. This was an anniversary card. This was just the envelope here. And I wanted to show you. This was using, not the paper pumpkin kit. It's using the Stampin' Memories and More, Magnolia Lane Memories and More card pack. And this is retiring. So this is on that last chance. So you'll want to go grab that if that's still available, because that will not be in the new catalog coming out. But that's how I made this. So I just wanted to share that with you. So anyway, here's all the paper pumpkin kits, or paper pumpkin cards I made. So I made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more of those. And then, like I said, I made an anniversary card. So I hope you enjoyed all those. Keep watching for more. And let me know down in the bottom if you enjoy seeing my cards. Let me know if you miss seeing me actually make the cards. Like I said in my last video, I've been doing it now this way just because since I do not have any Paper Pumpkin subscribers or anyone actually buying from me and Stampin' Up, I thought it might be easier and a little faster in my videos and all, since I don't really have anybody purchasing. But if some of y'all are out there actually interested in seeing card making, just let me know. I don't know who is interested in what kind of videos because I'm not really getting the comments out there. So if y'all would please, for my subscribers, just comment and tell me what kind of videos y'all are really wanting to see. I'd appreciate some comments from y'all. And please remember to give me a thumbs up. That helps me out too, to let me know that y'all are liking my videos. You just don't realize how much that helps, because not only letting me know, but letting YouTube know. So anyway, I just would appreciate it if y'all would do that for me. And so if you do that, and you know, if you like them, you know, please share. That really helps me out. If you know somebody that you think would like to see the video, you know, share it with that person, because I need all the help I can get. So I appreciate it. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Love to have you. So with that being said, thank you for watching. Y'all have a blessed day. See you in the next video. Come back soon. Thanks for watching.